What's up guys and welcome to my unboxing video of the new Mavic Air 2 drone from DJI. I'm Rashid and this is my first vlog, so please support by following my YouTube channel Little Dino Adventures, and you can also check out my travel photos by following my Instagram account. So let's go! Welcome back again guys to my unboxing video of DJI Mavic Air 2 which I got last week. Also special shout out to my friend Zaldi. Um, So we're gonna open the packaging of the Mavic Air 2. So when it arrived, it was not in the house, but it's inside another box. And then meron lang siyang bubble wrap. So we're a little bit OC opening the package. So we're just gonna speed this video. Oh, ang tagal. Naantok na ako. Okay, finally. Um, Yan, nabuksan ko na. So this is the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. Okay. 10 Air, and this is the receipt from Henry's Online. So you can buy the basic drone and you can also have the Fly More combo available. Kung gusto mo ng extra batteries, bag, and stuff. So dahil OC tayo, dahan-dahan nating bubuksan. And this is the proper way to unbox using the proper tools. Okay, so I hope hindi ko makat. Ayaw, sige. Wait lang. Ayan. And then let's try this corner. And the key here is, hindi mo tatanggalin lahat ng plastic. For some reason, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero ganito talaga ako mag-unbox. Ayan. So, iwan natin yung isang side. And then, remove natin yung tape. Hirap ah. Mikli kasi yung kuko. Ayan, dahil na-remove na natin yung tape, let's try to figure this out. Okay, dahan-dahan, hawakan sa side. Ayaw. Shake lang, dapat mag-slide down na siya. At ayaw. Shake, alugin, tapikin. Basta wag sisirain yung box. Wag pupunitin yung karton. Okay, gets. Alam ko na. So, meron pang naiwan na sticker. Sorry. It's my fault. Okay. Yan. Oops. Just slide it. At dahan-dahang mag-open na yung box. Finally here. Ooh, I have a new lunch box. It's nice that the DJI Mavic Air 2 has this cute little bag na pwede mong dalhin kapag magka-travel ka. Okay. So this is the drone bag, okay, which you can also use as a lunchbox. And it's a nice box. Let's put a dinosaur inside. Okay, so medyo nakaharang ka. Lagyan muna natin sa gilid. And si Little Dino sa diba? So, what do we have here? Hindi mapakali. Okay, so, oops. So we have in this box some manuals and then yung mga propellers. Okay, so wala na siyang laman. Sure? Okay, wala na nga siyang laman. So, ulit yung mga manuals in different languages, and here are the propellers. So, you can watch YouTube instructions kung paano to ilagay. And then, yung mga information about your drone, about everything, this can also be found online. And now let's go to the bag. Ooh, this is actually a really nice bag. I'll just try to figure out how to open this. Ayaw. Okay. Ayaw. Sorry kasi first time ko talaga magka-drone. This is my first time to own a drone. And okay, gets. So, this is how you open. Kailangan lang i-todo. Haha. Nice. So, inside the bag. So, inside the bag, you have the drone itself, and you have a perfume. No, joke lang, hindi yan perfume. Itong box na to, ang laman nito ay batteries, extra batteries. So, when you buy the Fly Mode combo, you get 2 extra batteries, the charger cable, yung plug, yan. And the remote controls charge using a USB-C. So, ito yung power adapter. Lagay muna natin sa side. Okay. And then, ito yung smart intelligent battery. Ito ay foam lang. Okay. Foam lang siya. Okay, so what's next? Ano ba? Sige, okay. And here we have the remote control. Hindi na ako describe into details. And we have here the battery dock or charger. Basta. And here we have some silicone chips. Gel para maintain. And here we have the drone itself. Okay, and naka-install na yung isang battery. So yan, wala na siyang laman. Parang ang konti, no? But yung nakikita ko sa pictures sa box, medyo kadami. So, when you first receive your drone, makikita nyo maraming mga stickers siya. Make sure you take note yung mga stickers na yan, and you have to remove them before using it. Okay. Dead air. Ayan, so open natin yung remote control. And what's funny is, before I got this drone, ang dami ko pinanood na YouTube videos para lang ma-familiarize na ako before I receive my first ever drone. It's nice. So, ikabit natin yung control sticks na nasa ilalim. Drone. Ayan. So, screw lang siya. And, tada! Okay. So, it has a nice texture. So, pag hinawakan nyo siya, hindi siya basta-basta malalaglag. And, ito yung lagay ng foam. And you also have the cable where you can attach the remote control to your mobile phone. And DJI includes 3 types of cable. So you have USB-C, cable for iPhone, and micro USB. Okay, so let's start removing these stickers. Pero yeah, nakakatakot siyang hawakan kapag first time mo, no? So kailangan alagaan kasi baka mabali. So, lagay muna natin sa kamay. Feeling ko may importance tong sticker na to. Pero, bakit dalawang kulay? Sige, figure out natin later. Pero for now, let's remove all the stickers. Yan. Dikit muna natin sa kamay ko para hindi sila magkalat. Okay, dahan-dahan nating stretch. Nakakatakot. Yan, may sticker pa sa sensor, sa ilalim, and yung auxiliary light. Yan. Iniikot siya pa ilalim ha, hindi rin siya ini-stretch. And there you go, your drone. Yan, remove lang natin yung ibang stickers. Make sure na remove nyo siya lahat ha, bago kayo magpalipad. And make sure na install nyo yung propeller. Kasi hindi siya andar. And remove natin yung gimbal cover. And there's the camera. And inside, more stickers. So, once na open nyo na siya, make sure nyo lang na na-remove nyo na lahat ng stickers. Even on the camera itself. So, may mga small stickers pa yan sa side. Just to make sure the camera, the gimbal will be moving freely without any obstruction. Wow. Okay. So, parang ang konti talaga. Battery, yung propellers. Bakit sa box? I see. Okay, okay, sige. Ayusin muna natin. Okay, so dun pala sa bag, merong hidden pocket na hindi ko napansin. And it has the other stuff like here you have the ND filters and the USB-C cable, and we have here, I don't know what's that for, at ito yung extra RC cables and yung extra remote control sticks. So let's just check kung wala na talaga naman. Baka may mga hidden pockets pa tayo. Ayan, it's really a nice bag. You know, pwede siyang gamiting lunchbox or whatever, lagay ng stuff when you go out. And this is everything from the Fly More combo of DJI Mavic Air 2. Okay. So, kanina, remember yung stickers? Yeah. So, meron nga siyang purpose. Wherein yung blue propellers, ilalagay niyo siya doon sa may blue stickers. And yung yellow is yung sa may yellow stickers. But, there's a special marking in the propeller itself and kung saan mo siya ilalagay na side. Okay, so let's try to figure out paano ba ito kakabit. I have no idea kung paano siya ikakabit. I guess I'm gonna go check online and watch some videos from DJI YouTube channel or any other YouTube videos kung paano siya ikakabit. So, open natin yung LC, yung propeller. And this is how it looks like. Weird. I'm just gonna check online. Ika-cut ko muna yung video and then just check ko online paano siya ikakabit. Okay. So here we have more propellers. Yan. I'll be back. Wait lang. Tada! Ayan, finally, naikabit na natin yung propellers. Okay, so we're just gonna set up a few things and we're ready to fly. So that's it guys, I hope it made sense. I will be sharing soon videos of my test flight, but for now you can check out here my previous travel videos, which is also available in my video account. So thank you for watching. Bye!